Hello guys, welcome to Sally Cooks. Today we are going to be making french fries, and this french fries is a healthy way of making your french fries because we're going to be using air fryer to make these french fries. So if you're new here, don't forget to like this video, share, hit the subscribe button so you get notified when I post a new video. Now go ahead and peel your potatoes and wash them. So we're going to cut them into thin slices. If you cut it thin enough, it's going to come out crunchy, so make sure you cut it thin if you really want it crunchy. So I'm going to cut it and give it the shape, the Irish shape, the french fry shapes So, and today I really wanted to use my air fryer to make this, but in the middle of this video I got stuck. Watch the end to see what happened and how I improvised. Okay, so here I was cutting my potatoes, and this potato can serve as your breakfast, lunch, dinner. It can serve as snack, something, brunch. You can pair this with anything. And I love potatoes because they're good. They make you feel full longer. Boiling pots of water. Actually, the water was not boiling, but it was hot already. Added a little salt, and I'll boil this for 5 minutes. Now, after boiling, I'm going to check. You don't want this totally cooked, you want it to be half cooked. So I'm going to turn away the water from it after 5 minutes. Then we are going to go to the next step. Next thing, you sprinkle paprika, vegetable oil, and at this point you can also add garlic powder, ginger powder, whatever spice you're okay with. I'll line my air fryer with an air fryer liner. We're going to place our potatoes there and put in the air fryer. After 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. So I took this thing out of air fryer after frying this for 20 minutes, and you can do it for more than 20 minutes if you want it crunchy. So the longer you leave it there, it's going to get more crunchy and dry and all that. So for this first round, I didn't really let it stay crunchy, but the next round it was so crunchy. So but let's keep watching. Now I put the second batch in this air fryer and set the timer 20 minutes, the temperature 200 degrees Celsius. And guess what? I got the shock of my life on this very day because the air fryer stopped working. I had to switch to my oven. Quickly I greased my pan and I had to turn this to my baking pan. I also lined it with air fryer to transfer the fries. The fries just spent maybe 3 minutes on the air fryer and stopped working. So thank God I had an oven, so I put this in an oven. This oven saved me. A few moments later, this is what the potato looks like. Actually, I overbaked this, and I love the fact that I overbaked it because it came out more crunchier. What happened was I even forgot I was baking this because I was eating the first part of it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Let me know in the comment section whether you like air fried potatoes or oil fried.